Chapter 7: Cyber Ethics. Today, the internet and computers play a vital role in our life. With the advancement in computer technologies, some unethical practices and criminal activities are also increased. Hence, we need to follow some rules and regulations while using the internet to avoid the risk of damage. We will also need to take care of the moral values and beliefs of any individuals or organization. In this chapter, we will learn about some computer ethics, unethical practices, and steps to protect ourselves from them. Computer ethics. Computer ethics are the common guidelines that we need to follow while using the computer. These are also known as etiquettes that tell us how to use the internet wisely. These are day by day becoming important because of the rising number of incidents of cybercrime, software piracy, unauthorized access, spamming, and hacking. It basically aims at encouraging IT users to be responsible in order to utilize the technology tools judiciously, respect views of others, and acknowledge the rights and properties of people on the internet. Some of the ethics that individuals should follow while using a computer are listed below. Do not use computers to harm other users. Do not use other users' computer resources without their permission. Always follow the copyright laws and policies. Respect the privacy of others just as we expect the same from others. Do not use the computers to retrieve or modify the information of others, which may include password information, files, etc. Take actions about illegal communication and activities if found to internet service providers and local law enforcement authorities. 10 Commandments of Computer Ethics. The 10 Commandments of Computer Ethics were created in 1992 by the Washington, D.C.-based Computer Ethics Institute. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people means do not use the computer in ways that may harm other people. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work means do not use computer technology to cause interference in other users' work. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's computer files means do not spy on another person's computer data. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal means do not use computer technology to steal information. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness means do not contribute to the spread of misinformation using computer technology. Thou shalt not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid means refrain from copying software or buying pirated copies. Pay for software unless it is free. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization means do not use someone else's computer resources unless authorized to. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output means it is wrong to claim ownership on a work which is the output of someone else's intellect. Thou shalt think about the social consequences of the program you are writing or the system you are designing means before developing a software, think about the social impact it can have. Thou shalt always use a computer in ways that ensure consideration and respect for other humans means in using computers for communication, be respectful and courteous with the fellow members. Unethical practices. An unethical practice is an action which is not considered ethical. The action which is not considered morally right or good for a person, a profession, or an industry is an unethical practice. Some of the common unethical practices which are prevalent in the society are plagiarism. Plagiarism means using the language or ideas and thoughts of some other person and projecting that representation as our original work. This includes text, media, and even ideas. Whenever other person's work is copied and republished without an appropriate reference or citation, it is considered plagiarism. For example, when we download a presentation on any topic from the internet and without mentioning the source of that information, represent it as our work. Measures to prevent plagiarism. We should take the following measures to avoid plagiarism. We should rephrase the content as per our requirement to avoid plagiarism. We should always mention the source of information. The process of giving credit to the author of the information and mentioning the source of information is known as citation. By giving citation, we can avoid the issue of plagiarism. We should use quotation marks to write the word or lines written by someone else. Add reference page at the end of the document. On this page, mention the links or sources from where we have taken information.